5 homemade masks to firm your skin. Having a firm and healthy face often depends on certain lifestyle habits, genetics, and a proper diet. Although it is true that sometimes you cannot do anything to turn back the passing of time, there are homemade masks that we cause use to at least reduce the effects of loose, damaged or aging skin. We'll explain the recipe for in this article. Causes of loose skin. The passing of time is definitely the primary factor. Your skin loses its firmness, tone, and elasticity. But don't forget that you can nourish your skin in those moments when it begins to become a crisis. By knowing which elements it needs at certain ages, you can reduce the effects over the passing of time. A lack of proteins and nutrients from a poor diet also favors flexidity. A deficiency in elastin and collagen. These are essential for your skin to look firm. Having a sedentary lifestyle. This prevents oxygen and nutrients from getting to your skin properly. The sun is a huge enemy of your skin. It ages it, removes its natural hydration, and makes you lose collagen. So be careful with sun exposure. Often, your emotional states also determine the good or poor health of your skin. Anxiety, irritation, stress cause a deficiency in the absorption of nutrients due to vasoconstriction and muscle tension. Homemade masks for facial flexidity. 1. Carrot and orange mask. This is a very easy to make and effective mask. Why, you ask? Carrots as well as oranges can give good results for fighting flexidity thanks to their high amounts of antioxidant-based ingredients, beta-carotenes, vitamins, minerals, and the hydration your skin needs. By coming both in a homemade mask, you will get good results. Apply it 3 times a week in the morning. What do I need? A carrot, orange juice, a tablespoon of honey. Directions. Start by washing and cutting the carrot in small pieces. Then, put it in the blender along with the orange juice. Try to get a well-blended juice. Lastly, add a tablespoon of honey. Next, put this orange and carrot mixture in a cup and use a cotton ball to apply the mask, especially on the areas where you tend to have flexidity, your neck, chin, cheeks, and let sit for 20 minutes and then remove with cold water. 2. Tomato and lemon mask. Everyone knows it. The skin on your face is different from the rest of your body. It is more sensitive and fragile, thinner, and unprotected from the impact of the elements. In order to protect it, you just have to follow a few good lifestyle habits with a good diet and some exercise. It is also best that you give it external food, and this tomato and lemon-based juice has a blast of antioxidants and vitamins that will give it freshness, youth, and huge therapeutic properties. How about you give it a try? What do I need? 2 tomatoes, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Directions: start by peeling both tomatoes, they should be ripe. Then, put them in the blender along with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Once this is ready, add the 2 tablespoons of sugar and you will get a paste. Great, there you have it. Now, with the help of a cotton ball, apply this mixture and leave it on for 15 minutes. You will immediately feel the freshness of the tomato and its ingredients working. But it's important that you don't leave this mask on for more than 20 minutes. If you do, the lemon can irritate you. Remember that. Next, use fresh water to remove this mask. It is best to do this 2 nights twice a week. 3. Apple and melon mask. Melon tones your skin and prevents flexidity. If you add apple and oatmeal to it, you will get an amazing and perfect mixture to hydrate and give more firmness to your skin. This is a classic remedy that you cannot miss out on trying. What do I need? 3 melon slices, any kind you want. Half an apple, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, a tablespoon of honey. How to make it? It is very easy. Start by getting the 3 slices, or a thin slice of melon, and peel the half of the apple. Put the melon and apple in the blender to mix both fruits well. Now, thanks to the oatmeal and honey that you will mix next, you will get a thick and nutritious mixture. To apply it, always make sure you have clean skin. Apply this mask to your skin and let sit for 20 minutes. Then, just remove it with cool water. You can repeat it 3 times a week, and is great especially in the morning to start your day with good protection.